Karvandas are seasonal fruits. Normally, you get it in the month of May and June in all over India. I got some jungly karvandas from one Katkari lady over here. And believe me, I was so happy that I get to see this desi fruit after 18 years. And once I get it, I won't prepare anything out of that. ऐसे हो ही नहीं सकता. So, here we will see a typical way of making and preserving bush plum pickle, that is jungly karvandaचे लोणचे. Clean the karvandas, that is bush plums, in a big bowl. Pour lots of water and immerse the plums for some time. Then rinse thoroughly and repeat the same process for about 2 to 3 times. Finally, remove all plums in a strainer and lay them out in a cotton cloth until they are fully dry. Then remove all the small stems and wipe out the white sap or chick of the jungly karvandas. Karvanda is a natural sugar stabilizer that controls sugar in your body. It is a rich source of vitamin C and also protects your liver. It has medical uses to also cure the skin disease. And it's always healthy to eat seasonal fruits. After cleaning, slit each plum slightly. Once done, put all the karvandas in a white glass bowl and add half quantity of rock salt, required quantity of Kashmiri chili powder. Here you can also use ready-made pickle masala, but I love to use homely masala. Now here you come. This is my secret ingredient. I'm adding some homemade jamun powder, which I personally made from dried and roasted jamun seeds. This will give a slightly different tangy flavor, and this jamun has also huge medicinal benefits. Now, add 1 teaspoon of katai powder, that is amchur powder. Sprinkle some sugar on top. By this procedure, karvandas will absorb all the masalas into its own moisture. Now you know why we slit each karvanda slightly in the beginning? Well, the main process of making pickle is preparing the oil, which we'll be doing immediately after. Add mustard oil and cooking oil in 50-50 ratio. Once oil is heated, add roasted split mustard seeds and hing powder and keep this mixture to cool until the next day. Make sure the quantity of oil is sufficient so that all the plums, that is karvandas, will be immersed into the oil. Next day, you can see karvandas are well marinated in its own moisture. Now we will add oil into the mixture and mixed well. Our karvanda pickle is almost ready. Now we'll cover this and store in a dry place for one more day. So let's open it. Karvandas originally has sour taste. Here I do not want to add fenugreek seeds, that is methi seeds, as I want to preserve the original tangy taste of the pickle. If you have observed, I had put less salt initially, so now I am adding 2 more spoons of rock salt as a good preservative. This jungly karvandas has different names in different languages, which I know I will try to tell you. Bush plums or Bengal currants in English. In Marathi, it's called Dongarchi Kali Maina. In Hindi, it's called Karanda. In Tamil, it's Kalakkai. It's Malayalam, it's called Kalichadi. In Kannada, it's called Kauli Hanu. In Telugu, it's called Peda Kalvi. And in Bengali, it's called Koramcha. Finally, add leftover oil on the top layer to avoid fungus formation. Now pickle is ready. So friends, thank you for watching my video. In my next video, I am coming up with different type of preparing karvanda pickle. So bye for now. But before you leave, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.